Hey everyone, so today is Thursday, it's Thursday, okay? um, you're fixing to watch a video of the dinner / meal prep for my lunch today that I did last night. It was really good. My only change that I made was I substituted chicken sausage for kielbasa because I couldn't find any. It's a recipe that my aunt put on Facebook, so I tried it out. Really good. And yeah, so check it out. Oh, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Julie, mom of 3 kids, 1 daughter in college, 1 son in 8th grade, and I have a newborn 3-month-old. So it's kind of hard to find time to meal prep and everything, but it's working out so far. I started my journey of weight loss in 2015. It went well. I've researched keto for 3 years and it's gone really well too. I did start keto in 16 and 17. Had a little bit of medical issues, so couldn't really complete it, but I did lose weight during that time. Only to gain it back in 18 when I got pregnant with my 3-month-old, but it's okay because I love that little kid. He was my little blessing, or is my little blessing. Yeah, so check the video out, check my dinner out. Hope you like it. Try it. Let me know if you try it because everybody makes it different. Of course, mine didn't look like the picture that I got it from, the recipe that I got it from, but it still tasted good, so oh well. Check it out. See you later. Today we're going with a simple sausage, cabbage meal. Trying out this never any chicken sausage, spinach and feta. It's supposed to be 2 carbs for 1 link, so I'll probably just have 1. But yeah. And I got my buddy here. Say hi, buddy. Say hi, buddy. Say hi, Bubba's. Oh, we're practicing on getting our head straight. And he's getting it slowly but surely. So I'm kind of cutting them diagonally. Don't worry, he's like right here. See, I'm like right in front of him. Right in front of him. And he's doing better. Look at you, baby. Hi, Bubba's. Do you like it? It's his first time as Bumpo. Oh, he said he likes it. Anyway, we're going to finish chopping this. Okay. Now we're going in a cast iron skillet. Bam. 4 tablespoons of butter. Until it melts. And then once it melts, we're going to add the sausage and let it brown. Be right back. Yeah, he got tired of that. He likes cooking with mommy though, right, Bubba's? Okay, be back. Wish you luck. So I'm cutting some butter, unsalted. I'm trying to eyeball 4 tablespoons. This is really hard one-handed, little dude. Okay. Oop, cast iron's a little too hot. We're gonna lower it. Butter's melting. We're gonna add just a bit more butter because butter makes everything better. What the heck? Okay. Stay away. I have a baby. Got to stay away from the fire, Dad. Okay. Moving our sausage over. Whew. Successful. We're rising up, aren't we? Dude, the ladies are looking at you. They're looking at you. Oh, right here. Right here. It's so cold. I'm so cold. My mommy says it's so cold. Okay. Butter's melting. This is chopped. And then, this is like... I used 3 of these. Each of them has, 1, 2, 3, 4 links, so 12 links, because I'm hoping to have some left over. Here's the macros if you're interested. And it's just from Aldi's. BRB. I need to switch arms because this one's getting tired. And check my next step. Now I'm going in with half of a white onion, garlic, and the baby's there because my arm was tired and it is always bumpy. But I hope he lasts. Play. I just have to top up this red bell pepper and get my garlic and spices ready. Half a cabbage into there.
And he's
I got this huge cabbage that's the size of my head, but my recipe calls for half of a small cabbage, so I'm gonna do probably a quarter of this one, maybe a little under half. I don't know yet.
and one red bell pepper and half an onion. And now we got a fryer. My recipe said to do all of this in a cast iron skillet. I doubled the recipe on the meat because we're a meaty family. So that's kind of like at its brim. But hopefully it wilts down. It's gonna go in the oven at 400 for like 15 minutes. But before I put it in, I'm topping it with some mozzarella cheese.
Someone fell asleep while I'm cooking or sauteing everything together. Like I said, I'm gonna top with mozzarella cheese, and I'll show you in a minute, but I just wanted to update you. Oh, well, he was falling asleep.
So there's the beauty topped with mozzarella. And I cheated, and I'm sorry. I know it's against the rules, but Sam's did not have the big blocks of mozzarella. They only had the cheddar, and I didn't feel like going anywhere else this past weekend, so I sucked it up. I know. What a shame. Anyway, we're going into the oven at 400 for 10 minutes.
Okay, well, it's baking. I'm going to take it out in a minute because I just turned it off. And it's quiet right now, which is nice. The baby's still sleeping right here next to me. I think he likes watching me cook. But I had to put him to sleep. Anyway, I'm going to take it out. It's super heavy, so I need both hands. So, let's see. Oh, my bad, forgot about it. There it is. Oh, not cool. How about this better? Okay. Ooh. That'll be dinner. I'm trying to decide if I want to make a vegetable to go with it. I think I want zucchini. A little winded, I don't know why. I was cleaning the kitchen, but I'll be back with my plate.
So I did it. It's zucchini. I already put salt and pepper. Sorry, I just do that. I was trying to think of what kind of spices I might want to use. Because I have a lot. I need a sweet, don't mind the background. We just got this new one from the other day, but I've been using it kind of a lot. So I don't want to overdo it. You know what? My husband has a really good one that he uses on barbecue. And it did say it was, excuse this, is kind of unorganized. Well, it's unorganized. Should have turned the light on. But where is it at? Do we have any? It's for vegetables. Let me look at it. It might be at the very bottom. Oh, okay. Let's see. Wow, I don't even see it. Let's try a little bit of 210. Oh, it's a rub. It was one of those. Was it 956? Échale a todo. I think it was 956 that I put last time and I loved the flavor. We're gonna try that. Okay, put a little bit. There's also some butter in there, so we're just gonna wait till it gets soft and pretty, and then we can eat.
And my munchkin is now super knocked out. Isn't it cool how this thing bounces on its own? Guess who gets to eat before me? Lucky kid. Again. So, dinner's just about ready.
Great, not good.
What?
It's great, not good.
Thank you very much. And the little ones over there, just a swinging. It's chill time with my little boy. My big boy's playing video games, and my other ones, or my husband's doing his plants. He grows jalapenos, reapers, so you might see some recipes. And he's sneezing right now, probably because of that. So I hope you had a good Wednesday. You saw what I ate. If you like it, I can do more. I'm just kind of experimenting right now. Maybe I'll do my breakfast tomorrow. Say good night. Say good night. Say good night. Say bye. Say bye, guys. Okay, so be honest. Did you like it? I know you haven't made it yet, but hope you do try it. Hope you liked my video and got to see a little bit of my family and my little baby. I'm going to be making more just to kind of keep me going, keep me motivated, share my journey with you. So I'd love it if you share yours back with me if you're doing one. If not, just enjoy then. All right, guys. Talk to you next time. Bye.